Hey guys, so I just got back home from school and look here, my dad got my oranges and here's my room over here. And this time just like I did something like a week ago or something like that. It counts to see how many friends is eating. Okay, so I just take a little peek and I saw 3 friends, but not all of them. So I'm gonna count to 10. Okay, let's count to 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready to see who's eating my chocolate snack? Okay, here we go. Da da da. What? OMG. Oh my gosh, let's turn off the lights. Okay. What? Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Many friends is eating, but I don't know how many. So, I thought I saw a Mommy Kitty, Elmo, and Brother Kitty when I was picking out for a bit. It wasn't all of them. It wasn't all of the friends. So, look. What? Let's count how many friends they are gonna put my own juice by. Anyways, see. What? 1 is Luigi. 2 is Mommy Kitty. 3 is one of the animals. 4 is Danny Kitty. 5 is Panda the director from the Cookie Monster show. 6 is the sister Kitty. 7 is the white cub from the Cookie Monster show. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 77. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is the older Elmo. 9 is the new Cookie Monster. 10 is Brother Kitty. And 11 is Mario. What? Oh my gosh. That was so funny. So now I'm gonna put my oranges right there. And now, whatever my oranges is. Nope. There we go. So I gotta eat my snacks now. Anyways, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more new videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!